right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's odd how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home.
Voila, voila.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
Mommy?
Yes. Yes, DJ.
What is this?
So I'm going to put this small one on for Baba.
Mommy, what is
Put my
this
hair
for?
around here.
Huh?
Huh?
What is this for?
I can't see.
Look down.
You have to come closer, Baba. Oh, that one?
Yes.
I don't know. Ask your father.
You mean this one? You don't know what this is for?
No, I didn't buy it, so I don't know, my dear.
Mommy, I have an idea. What if we use these so I can work on
And you
it?
open this one? So with that idea. You want to open it?
I think it's gonna work with my homework.
And I just detangle this. Because I have to divide them twice on 2 lines. You want to do your homework today?
I think this will work.
So I already detangle them. I'm going to make a line here. Right there. Right there in the middle, sorry. I put it on the wrong place. There. And I put this one second. And this one.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.
And this is the finish line. I mean the finished look. As you can see, I tried to do a zigzag line. So bad. But yeah, this is how we look. Yes, JJ.
Mommy,
Yes?
I don't know what I am gonna wear.
Yeah. Quick. It took me 3 minutes. 3 minutes for sure. So that's what I usually do. I knew I was going to get my hair done today, so I just washed it last night. And I didn't want to put anything on it, so I'm on my way to start getting braid. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Alright, have a good one.